morning. We are Maria, Raquel, Natalia, Laura, and me, Marta. Today we are going to talk about the application of machine learning in Netflix. These are the 6 points we are going to present. I'll start with the first one, which is the description of the context where the QM is applied. Netflix is a streaming service that offers an extensive range of award-winning TV shows, movies, anime, documentaries, and others on many internet-connected devices. To watch Netflix, they charged a fixed monthly fee. Plans range from $7.99 to $15.99 with no extra costs and no contracts. Here we have a picture where we can see what each plan includes. Netflix is a data-driven company. It does not choose movies and television shows randomly. Thanks to the great amount of subscribers they have, Netflix is able to collect a big amount of quantitative data, which helps the company to make the best decisions and improve their services. For example, Netflix can see the completion rate of users for a specific series, and so they can know the overall engagement of this show.
Once we have commented on the description of the quantitative method, the next thing we consider relevant and we wanted to discover is which is the aim of Netflix when collecting that amount of information about their users. That is, the main objectives Netflix want to achieve when implementing the mentioned quantitative method. First, we need to point out that they follow a process of 3 basic steps to manage their data, which are compilation, analysis, and customization. With these 3 variables, Netflix can learn the habits and uses of Netflix platform customers, shape their catalog of movies and TV shows, identify the acceptance of new content launched on the platform, optimize their marketing and advertising campaigns, revamp video and audio encoding, as well as adaptive bitrate selection and in-house content delivery network, and finally, launch and produce original eye-catching movies and TV shows.
Now we are going to present the quantitative method, which is machine learning. It applies artificial intelligence to improve from experience with the aim of allowing computers to learn without human intervention. It consists of the research of patterns in data in order to make better decisions in the future. A Netflix recommendation engine is the most successful quantitative method of Netflix. It consists of algorithms that filter content using recommendation clusters based on personal preferences. The 80% of view activity is driven by this engine, and it saves the company around $1 billion per year.
In making use of machine learning, Netflix fosters innovation and growth. They avoid acting with what feels right and the so-called shots in the dark. It refers to acting without having analyzed a movement correctly and in depth. Some of the results of the applying this QM are, first, an overall improvement of experience for each user, thanks to learning about their habits. Second, the customer gets recommendations adapted to its preferences, thanks to Netflix customizing its catalog. Third, with quality streaming, customers enjoy films from many different kinds of devices, with the same quality from any spot in the world. Fourth, by optimizing their marketing and advertising campaigns, they get the possibility to target the right customers and they design a unique platform for every user. And last but not least, by working on video and audio quality, the consumer has the possibility to get a unique sound image experience.
In the 5th point, we will discuss pros and cons. In the pros, machine learning easily identifies trends and patterns among large volumes of data. There is continuous improvement as the amount of data keeps growing, they keep improving in accuracy. There's no continuous human intervention needed. The algorithms are good at handling data that are multidimensional and multivariate. Cons. Data acquisition, machine learning requires massive data sets to train on, and these should be inclusive and unbiased. Time and resources. It needs enough time to let the algorithms learn and develop. Also, data storage space and computer resources are expensive. Another major challenge is the ability to accurately interpret results. And there is high error susceptibility. Suppose you train an algorithm with data sets small enough not to be inclusive. You end up with biased predictions coming from a biased training set.
Until now, we have seen that machine learning predicts patterns based on previous experiences. Netflix has analyzed these patterns and implemented little to big improvements to their platform. and this has assured them to be leaders in the streaming sector.
That's all. Thanks for your attention and hope you like it.